Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza bread, easy method. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F and line a tray, then knead a simple dough until elastic. Flatten into a loaf, spread sauce, cheese, and desired toppings, then roll or fold to seal edges tightly. Brush with olive oil and bake until golden and bubbly, then rest briefly before slicing to serve warm. Begin by combining flour, water, yeast, salt, and a splash of olive oil into a shaggy dough, then mix until it just comes together. Let the dough rest for 20 to 30 minutes to relax the gluten and make shaping effortless. If you are short on time, pre-made dough works well and still yields great results. Be gentle when shaping to keep air pockets for a tender crumb and good oven spring. Slide your assembled loaf onto a preheated baking tray to encourage a crisp bottom and even browning, and monitor the top for color. Baking usually takes 18 to 25 minutes depending on the loaf size and your oven's hot spots, so check for a golden crust and melty cheese. Let the bread cool a few minutes to set the filling, then slice and serve with sauce or a fresh salad for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.